If your Sony TV is flashing a red light 6 times, this usually points to a backlight wiring error code, but before jumping into complicated hardware fixes, there are a couple of simple solutions that often work. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 methods, starting with the easiest quick resets and moving up to the proven final solution that addresses the root cause. Method 1, a basic power cycle. To do this, switch off your TV and unplug it from the wall. Hold down the physical power button on the TV itself for at least 15 seconds. Then wait for around 2 minutes to let the remaining power completely drain out. After that, plug your TV back in and try turning it on again. If it doesn't work the first time, don't give up. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 attempts before the reset kicks in properly. This simple power cycle actually fixes the problem for about 30% of people right away. If the power cycle doesn't solve it, try method 2. Start by unplugging everything from your TV, the power cord, HDMI, and any connected devices. Hold down the power button again, this time for about 40 seconds to force a deeper reset. Then, blow out any dust from the back vents using compressed air or even a hairdryer on cool mode. Dust buildup can interfere with internal sensors or components and cause errors. After cleaning, wait about 5 minutes, plug in only the power cord and try switching on the TV with the remote. If it powers up, you can reconnect your devices one by one. This is more of a temporary solution, but for many users, it gets the TV working again. Now, if you're still seeing 6 blinking red lights, the issue is almost always a backlight error signal coming from the power board. This is where the final proven fix comes in. I do need to warn you, this step involves opening your TV, so if you're not comfortable handling electronics, it's better to call a professional. First, unplug the TV completely, press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds to discharge, and then leave it for at least 30 minutes to make sure all internal power has drained. Work on a flat surface, keep screws organized, and use an anti-static strap if you have one. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing all the screws, and you'll see the power board, the main board, and the cables that link them together. Look for the 14-pin connector that runs from the power board to the main board. On the top row of wires, carefully count to the 4th one. This is usually the backlight error signal wire. You'll need to either disconnect it or cut it. If you cut it, strip off the end and ground it by attaching the bare wire to a nearby screw on the TV's metal frame. Simply loosen the screw, slide the wire under it, and tighten it back in place. What this does is stop the error signal from reaching the main board. Without that signal, the TV won't automatically shut down, and your screen should power on normally. Once you've done this, reassemble the back panel, plug the TV back in, and switch it on. The 6 blink problem should now be gone, and your Sony TV should be back to working like normal. If this fix worked for you, don't forget to share it with others. It can save a lot of frustration and maybe save your TV.